Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. To get started, obviously let's hold the power key, select power off, and wait for the device to actually turn off. Now once it turns off, which should be right in a moment, the screen will turn off. You still want to wait for the vibration of the device, which will be an indicator that it is off. There we go, there it was. So once you feel that, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And this will take us to the boot mode. And there we go. So once you see this right here, you want to let go of the keys, and then using only volume up, navigate to the menu in order to select the second option, or middle one, Fastboot mode, and then use volume down to confirm that. And there we go, that's all it takes. So that is how you boot into the Fastboot mode. And once you're done with it, you can hold the power key till the screen turns off. So let's do that right now. There we go. And once the screen turns off, you can let go of the key. The device will automatically boot back up. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.